Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of June 13th through the 19th in my Recollections vertical planner. This week I'm using this kit called Planner Girl from Sara Prints. It's super old. I have no idea if she still has it in her shop, but if it's still available, I'll link it below. But I thought it was super cute, and this week is going to be pretty busy. I do have a work conference on Friday that I have to travel for, things like that. So I thought this kit would be perfect for that. So here's the full boxes, full box checklists, functionals, headers and little things, bottom washi, date covers, icons and some more functionals, glitter headers, washi strips, and some more icons and things like that. So hopefully everything I need for the week is going to be in here. That's the goal at least. So I am going to start by putting down, I'm going to use the to do today little things in that order. I'm going to try to kind of rotate them so that it's not just like column by column, I think is going to be my plan. I might actually just put them in order. To do today little, just rotate through the colors. Anyway, stick down the bottom washi and the date covers, the weekend banner, full box checklists. I think that's everything I'm going to put down to get started. I didn't pull anything special for a pen to write the dates. I will pull out my Pilot G2. This is a 0.7. It's a little wider. I usually use this iHow 0.38 for my actual writing. I get these on Amazon. So I'm going to use this little bit wider one to write the dates because I think that's going to look a little bit better. And I think I'm going to need my whiteout as well. So I think that's everything. I'm going to stick all that stuff down, skip you ahead all of it, and then we'll get to the interesting bits. Okay, here's where we're at so far. Looking cute, I think. So let's deal with the full boxes next. So for these full boxes, I feel like we kind of have to consider the backgrounds. So I think these two go together, these two go together, these two go together, and then these two are kind of like the mismatched ones, as it were. I think I'm going to stick the camera up here. And then I'm going to stick the washi on Thursday. Honestly, Thursdays are usually my filming day, so I feel like that'll be appropriate. Let's see, then I feel like I need two of the kind of white ones. I'm going to put this one that says Get It Girl on Friday, since that's when I'm doing my presentation. So it feels like it's appropriate. Honestly, I have a presentation on Thursday too, but we're just going to ignore that. That one's slightly crooked, but there's nothing I can do about it. I'm going to stick the coffee cup on Saturday because I don't want to put a to-do list on Saturday because I'm not feeling those vibes. There we go. And then I guess I'm going to put the planner on Sunday because I don't feel like I want the to-do list and the planner right next to each other. Put this little bow on Monday. It's super cute. There we go. Thank you for your service, as Caitlin would say. So that is kind of where we are right now with the base. Moving on to the sidebar. I have a few pages that I might need. One of these has habit trackers. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to start out with this week, even though it matches the full box, I still want to stick one in. And then I'm going to stick down a habit tracker. And then adding these two. I think I'm going to just add these two, and I'm not going to add a second habit tracker. So next I'm going to stick down the dinners header. Thank you for your service. The habit tracker is going to be for Pepper's teeth, like always. That's a habit that I'm just really focusing on. So there we go. And then I think I'm going to use the to-do header. That I have left over. Thank you for your service. I'm really like getting through these, which is great. I like to utilize the kit well, you know. There we go. And then there's just a little space left at the bottom. So if I find this page, I have washi strips. I think I'm going to use one of these. I'm going to leave a little gap so that I can cover up the dots. And I think that's going to be fine. There we go. I think that looks cute on the daily plans. I think I was going to use little things for work, but it takes up so much of my life that I'm just going to use these bigger ones. So I'm going to try to alternate a floral and a plain. So floral, this plain colored one, floral, is that straight? And then I'll stick in the last one when we get to the other side. And then I want to use little things for my plan with me, which will go up on Monday. Hopefully that'll be back to a normal schedule. We had some weeks that were weird, but that'll hopefully be back to normal. The 14th, Tuesday, I have nothing planned. Same for Wednesday. Thursday, I'm gonna stick this guy in for work. Oh, it matches. Oh well, that's fine. I do have a presentation at work, but I do a lot of those, so I'm just gonna not worry about marking that. And then I'm gonna stick in on Friday. I'm gonna put the little thing at the very top, even though it's gonna be like the 12th thing I do for the day. This is my video, whatever I'm posting. I honestly don't know what it is, but I will know by then, and you will know before then, because by the time this video is up, that video will be up. So there's that. After that, I'm going to stick this down. That's for my flight. The morning activities, not really sure what's going on with that. But I think I'm just going to put in, like, can I fit a half box? I think I can fit a half box. So I'm going to just stick this in for work conference. I'm going to stick in both my flights, I think, here, because I'm round tripping in one day. And then I'll stick whatever else down here. Saturday and Sunday, not really sure what's happening. Oh, I do want to mark on Sunday. I covered up the holidays section. I'm just going to take, I think, how about one of these bow clips? I think that would be cute. Stick that down. And I'm just going to mark both Father's Day and Juneteenth together there. So I think that's everything for my pre-planning. Looks like this. It's going to be a really busy week. It's looking like a pretty busy spread, but I also have a lot already filled in, so I think that's part of it as well. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. Super cute. I love how it turned out. Definitely fun and colorful. I think this colors really would go with any time of year, but I do feel like it still came across as pretty summery. Overall, the week was pretty good. I used literally only things from the kit. I still have a good amount of stuff left, which is not surprising. Usually I have a fair amount of leftovers from one of these kits from Sara Elizabeth Prince. So I'm going to throw that in my leftover stash. But otherwise, it was a pretty okay / busy week the first half, and then travel and recovery for the second half. But I think it turned out pretty good. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know down below what you think about traveling for work. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Are you indifferent? I feel like some days I like it, and then some days it's very stressful and tiring. And this was definitely more towards the tiring side of things. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress spreads, finished spreads, I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.